Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a Mahira Khan Cannes Film Festival inspired look. We all saw her on the red carpet and she was looking absolutely stunning as usual. She is naturally beautiful and like her makeup approach is very minimal. Like I've never seen her with heavy makeup, and even at this red carpet we saw that she did use a red lip color, but other than that her makeup was very natural, very refreshing. Very fresh. So yeah, that's what we're gonna try to do today. Now do remember this is an inspired look, so it's not exactly gonna be the same. Like I'm gonna try my best to achieve the same makeup look, but other than that, I mean, it's an inspired look. It's not gonna be the same. Like there could be a little slight differences. Also, I couldn't find a necklace that looked similar to what she was wearing, so that's another thing. I'm gonna try my best to use as much drugstore products for this look as possible, but if I do mix in a few higher end products, please don't hate me for that. Like I'll try my best. Now I'm well aware that I was wearing this shirt in my last video as well, so please spare me on that because yeah, I just couldn't find anything else to wear. I do have like a dozen black shirts, but this was all that I could find. Anyways, now you also have to excuse me for my voice and also the condition of my skin. Like my skin around the nose area is very dry and flaky right now, and the reason is I'm still recovering from my cold. It's taken away so much of my time that I could have, you know, created so many looks and done so many, you know, makeup tutorials or videos, and like I've been dealing with this for like the past 2 weeks, and I'm now taking antibiotics, so hopefully I'm gonna get better soon and there's gonna be more videos coming your way then, but until then you have to bear with me for this video today. I know my sound, like I don't really sound really well, and yeah. Also, I tried doing my hair like her. I'm not good at hairstyles at all. I know there was a lot of hairspray that went into her hair that day, and what's that there? Okay, yeah, so there was a lot of hairspray that they used, I guess the stylist used, and yeah, her hair was really nice and sleek and neat. I tried to do the same parting. This is the best I can do for my hair. Again, I'm not good at hairstyles, so I think without wasting further time, let's just get started.
So I'm gonna start off by priming my face with the L'Oreal Magic Lumi primer. I'm not really a huge fan of this primer, but it somehow works well with this foundation that I'm gonna be using, which is also L'Oreal. It does make my skin feel a little tacky, and that's exactly what we want. Now I'm using the Pro-matte, L'Oreal Pro-matte Infallible Foundation in the shade 103 Natural Buff. And in order to blend it on my face, I'm using a damp Real Techniques makeup sponge. Now I'm using a concealer for my under eye circles. This is the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Medium. You can see I applied it in a triangle shape underneath my eyes so that it goes down to my cheeks as well. Now I'm highlighting my chin, my jawline, my forehead, and the bridge of my nose using this same concealer. Now I'm taking the Real Techniques sponge that I used earlier and I'm blending this all on my face. Taking the Mercier translucent powder, I'm gonna bake my face. So first I'm gonna put this under my eyes and I'm gonna let this sit there while I do my eye makeup. So you can see I'm taking a generous amount. Now I'm taking the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Contour palette. Well, it's a small kit, and I'm basically gonna mix these two shades. They're supposed to be a highlight and a contour shade, but honestly they're well used if they're mixed together. And I apply this under my cheekbones, on the top of my forehead, under the jawline, and I'm also contouring my nose with this. So I'm taking that same translucent powder and I'm cleaning the contour lines like that. And again, I'm gonna leave this powder on till the rest of my makeup is done. Now I'm taking the Painterly Paint Pot by MAC Cosmetics and I'm priming my eyelids. Now I'm taking the Morphe 35 OM eyeshadow palette, and these are all matte eye shades. I'm taking this really light camel color eye shade and using my favorite transition brush, which is the Morphe E27. I'm gonna apply it over and around the crease. Now taking this MAC 217 eye shade brush, I'm taking this light brown shade and applying it just inside the crease just to define it. Now these are very neutral shades and they won't even show on the eyelid, and that's the reason I'm using them, because on Mahira's eyelids you couldn't really see any eye shade. Now I'm taking this cream color white and applying it to my eyelids. So basically what we're doing is we're just giving some definition to the crease of the eyelid. Now I'm taking the L'Oreal Infallible Paint eyeliner and doing like a very small wing. You saw Mahira's eyes had really no eye shades on them, but always remember, even if it's like a no makeup look, you have to have some sort of setting powder or eye shades on your eyelids so that there's no creasing there, and just to define it better. So you can see I just did like a small wing liner there and nothing much. Now I will be connecting this to the inner corner of the eyes, but it's gonna be such a thin line that you won't even be able to see it. Okay, I'm just connecting it all the way through, but very thin line. It's almost invisible. I'm taking this House of lashes in featherette. Now this I actually got out of my mom's makeup stash. This is like a no brand eyebrow pencil. She has used this all her life and she actually buys it somewhere in Islamabad, Pakistan. So yeah, the last time she was here I did get this out of her makeup stash because it was kind of working really well. I'm not a fan of the shade though, because it's a bit darker for me. I would prefer it to be a little lighter than this, but I'm not sure if it does come in other shades. I'll ask her. So I'm just making my brows look really bushy because that's how Mahira's eyebrows looked. They're not like sleek and defined. And I used the Benefit brow gel to set them, and also I brushed off the excess powder and buffed that powder back in my skin again as well, just to set everything nicely. Now I'm applying the Maybelline Big Colossal Shot Mascara to my lashes. Now going in with the L'Oreal True Match blush in the shade Cool. I'm using a Real Techniques brush for that, and I'm using Laura Mercier highlight in the shade Indiscretion. It's a very subtle highlight and I like it for my everyday makeup, and I think it's perfect for this makeup look as well. Highlighting the bridge of my nose and also the cupid bow and my brow bone. I'm gonna use my favorite red lip color. This is the Too Faced Melted Matte lipstick in the shade Lady Balls. Mahira had a really beautiful red lip color and it looked absolutely amazing, and that just pulled the whole look together and made it really classy, elegant, and glamorous. So this is my Mahira Khan Cannes Film Festival inspired makeup look. She looked absolutely glamorous and beautiful. Her winged eyeliner was very prominent, and also her red lips. So I tried to do it as close as possible, but it is an inspired look and there could be some differences. I also tried to use as much drugstore products as possible. So yeah, here it is. So let me know in the comments what you like about this look, and if you have any questions regarding the products that I've used or this whole look in general, do leave a comment below. I would love to respond to you and love to talk to you in the comments. I'll be leaving all the details of the products I used in the description box, and I'll also be leaving my social media links in the description box below. So do check that out. And if you're not a subscriber yet, do subscribe to my channel. And if you're already a subscriber, well, thank you. See you all next time. Bye.